Slimmer fingers with nail shapes, the secret to elegance. Best nail shapes for fuller fingers. Have you ever looked at your nails and wondered if they could subtly enhance the appearance of your hands? Nail shape matters more than people realize. The right shape can elongate fingers, creating an elegant, slimmer look, perfect for those seeking a refined manicure. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Whether you're a nail art lover or just looking for a confidence boost, this tutorial will help you discover the best nail shapes for fuller-looking fingers and elevate your style in the process. Nail shapes go beyond aesthetics. They influence the overall balance and proportion of your hands. Choosing the right shape can make fingers appear longer and more slender, while the wrong one could unintentionally accentuate width. For those with fuller fingers, softer curves, and elongated shapes work wonders. These styles draw attention upwards, guiding your hands toward an elegant transformation. Let's dive into the specific shapes that make this magic happen. Almond nails are the holy grail for creating a slimming effect. Their tapered tip simulates elongated fingers, adding a graceful appearance. This shape beautifully balances width, ensuring your hands look chic and proportionate. Pair an almond shape with soft pastel or neutral shades for a sophisticated, slimming finish. It's a classic that never goes out of style. Oval nails are another excellent choice for complementing fuller fingers. This shape curves gently at the edges, offering a softer, natural look while elongating your fingers. Think of oval nails as an elegant all-rounder. Whether you're sporting bright colors or understated tones, oval nails will work with virtually any design you love while making fingers appear slimmer. If you want to make a bold statement, stiletto nails might surprise you by doubling as a slimming trick. Their sharp, pointed tips provide maximum length, taking attention away from the width of the fingers. While stilettos are high on glam, keep in mind they require extra care, but for the fashion-forward, it's totally worth it. While many shapes flatter fuller fingers, some do the opposite. Square or flat nails can make fingers appear shorter and wider. Similarly, ultra-rounded nails may lack the elongating effect you want. Avoid excessively wide or exaggerated designs, as they can draw focus to the width of your hands. Stick to shapes with height and taper for the most flattering results. When creating these nail shapes at home or getting them professionally done, proper technique is key. Use high-quality files to create smooth edges and maintain symmetry in both hands. If visiting a salon, communicate your preferences clearly to ensure your desired style is achieved. Additionally, choosing complementing nail polish colors like nudes and soft pinks boosts the slimming illusion while keeping your nails sleek and sophisticated. Now that you know the best nail shapes for slimming the appearance of fuller fingers, it's time to put these tips into action. Whether you try almond, oval, or stiletto nails, remember that the right shape is your ticket to enhancing both the look of your hands and your overall confidence. Ready to elevate your nail game? Hit that like button and comment below with your favorite nail shape. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, transformative beauty tutorials. Let your nails do the talking. Your elegant, confident hands are only a manicure away.